Welcome back to another Space Gas video tutorial. In this video, we look at the Reinforced Concrete Management tool. The Concrete Manager is the central control system for all your reinforced concrete beams, columns, and footings in a space gas job. It lets you view them, design or check them at once, generate reports, change preferences, export them to other programs, or import them. Using the table at the bottom, you can view all your beams, columns, and footings. Scroll through them. Open them to make changes in the editor, or delete them. Coloured blocks next to each item show if it has passed or failed, and a padlock signifies that its reinforcement has been locked. You can also hover over the coloured blocks to get more information. The next column containing Ds or Cs indicates if a member was designed or checked. A status bar at the bottom includes information about the selected member's pass-fail status, its governing failure mode, critical load case, and utilisation ratio. If you have made a change to your model or have reanalyzed it, then you'll need to redesign or check all your concrete members. You can do this in the Concrete Manager by selecting the items to be redesigned or checked. Listing the load cases to be considered, choosing the design code, and then starting the process. If you want to export a list of your beams, columns, or footings to another program, such as Excel, you can do so by exporting them directly from the table. Or import them into the table. You can also copy and paste from the table. Preferences can be adjusted in one central location. And finally, reports can be created by selecting what to include and then generating the report.